Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are outside in the backyard and we have a bubble machine and we are having so much fun with bubbles. So out here while we're playing with bubbles, I just have a low-tech board. It is laminated, that way we can just wipe it off after the bubbles get all over it and everything. You can check out some of my previous videos for how I got the board and then also how I got the fringe row up at the top so that we could have access to bubbles. But today, words that we're targeting while we were out here is that, like, we can ask who is going to get the bubble. We're talking a lot about get the bubble, that they are going up, that the bubbles are going to go down. If they're big or little bubbles, I'm going to get the big bubble. How they're different sizes, that bubbles make us happy, and that we are playing. So anytime that you're out and you're having fun with an activity like this, just making the language of communication fun, providing that input for them where we're not expecting them to repeat it back to us, okay? Aided language input is all about just showing and telling them the words, teaching them the language by speaking this language to them, okay? So there's your video for today for some bubble fun. Thanks for watching.